back to my channel. My name is Annie and today we're making slime! Okay, so let's get started with making slime. So I haven't used this bowl yet. So I think this isn't, I don't know. Why am I focused on balls? We got a little fishy making slime with me. Cute little fish. Flynn. This is satisfaction. Ugh. This is hard to like pour out. Oh my god. My hands are all messy from previous slimes. I don't know how many videos I've been wearing this exact same outfit, so. Probably because it's the exact same day making slime. Yeah, we're just having the entire day making slime. Sister's gone. Mom's gone. Why not? Okay, I think that's it. That's it. I just think that's it. I've never like, these haven't made successful ones except for one pink one. And pink always makes a success because it's the best color. Okay, since I've added the glow, it's time to add some shaving cream. As you can see, some already got in, but we're just gonna add the rest. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Word of advice. When you make slime, hold the shaving cream upright. Ugh. Look at that. That's satisfaction. I love that. I've been saying that like 12 times. Okay, let me go get the spoon and I'll be right back. Okay, I got the spoon and we're ready to mix. Now we're gonna find out what color it's gonna be. It's probably gonna be like a light blue because that's all we added. That. It's like very light. This is really cool. Hope you guys like it. This is looking great. Ooh, look at this like light. It's like super light. It's like really light blue. Love that. Why not love it? It's like it's like white and light blue. Baby blue. Baby blue. Yeah, that's right. That's right now, I think. I'm not good at colors. Especially like blues. There's so many different types of blues. Why do they need to be? There could be blue, light blue. Done. You confuse us. Hear my bench shaking. Okay. Woo! Woo! That looks so cool. I love it. Okay. Now, once you're done with that, you add the activator, which is simply just warm water, half a cup, with a teaspoon of borax or real activator. It's whatever you choose, but I'm using borax and warm water. It's a lot. God. Whoa. Okay, I'm back. And my slime is ready. So I wash my hands. They're all clean now. That way I don't have any problems. My slime is really good. It's looking great. All I'm doing is like right now I'm getting it a little more and less sticky. But for the most part, it's not sticky. So I'm just gonna move everything out of the way. So this is the slime. Pretty good. I like it. Whoa. Stretchiness. Not so stretchy. Like when I stretch it, like cracks. Hate that. Don't like it. Maybe my dogs don't like it. They're like, it's a pretty color. It's not exactly teal, but it kind of looks it a little bit, like not a lot. This chair. I don't like this chair. It's too wobbly. This is like bubbleness. If you haven't heard of it, it's where you stick your finger in. When you pop it, it like makes a big noise. So that concludes our video. So subscribe to our channel.